Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to integrate Twilio with our Dialogflow bot. First of all, we will use their official documentation. Simply visit the above URL github.com/Google Cloud Platform /Dialogflow-integrations. Down below, we will follow this documentation. Firstly, we will need to install our G Cloud SDK. Right click over here. Choose your operating system accordingly. Like if I am using on Windows machine, I will click over here and then click over here to download Google Cloud SDK. I have already downloaded. I will skip this. Then what come to the documentation, it is saying to set up our project. After downloading your G Cloud SDK, there will be a shortcut. You can search or Windows command. I will simply run as an administrator. We will do G Cloud init to initialize our project. Now select create new configuration, and then it will ask your username and email and password. I have already done this. I will reinitialize my project by setting reinitialize. Select your account, then select your project. Here we are. We have successfully initialized our Dialogflow project. We have completed this step. Now second step is to set up our GCP account by visiting Dialogflow page. Go to your Dialogflow agent setting and click on your service account. It is saying to create a service account and give it a Dialogflow client API role, and then download the JSON key. Make sure you are logged in with correct account. Simply we will go to our permission sector, IAM role, and we will search for our project. Here is our project. Click over there. I have already given it two roles, Dialogflow Client API and Dialogflow Console Agent, to test my bot. Simply click another role and add your desired role, like Dialogflow Client API, etc. I will skip this as I have already given it rules. Then simply save it, then go to your service account. Make sure your project is selected over there, and then over your project, and download your key. Create new key, and then in JSON format download. I will cancel this as I have already downloaded my keys. Let's come back to our project. We have done this part of our documentation. Now we will set up our, it is saying to set up your billing account in your GCP console. Like over there you can search for billing. I have already enabled and attached my credit card with it. You will need to attach your credit card in GCP account. and then it is saying to enable two APIs, Dialogflow Cloud Build and Dialogflow Run API, Cloud Run API. We will go there and search for APIs by clicking there, APIs and services and library. We will search for Cloud Run. Cloud Run API. You will need to enable it. I have already enabled it, as you can see over here, API enabled. And then again go back. We have enabled Cloud Run API. We will enable Cloud Build API. I have already enabled it. You will need to enable it by clicking over there. There will be an option to enable it. And then let's come back to our documentation. Now it is saying to clone this repository. We will simply copy this URL and in our drive we will create new folder. Simply type git clone and paste the URL. It will clone this repository to your local machine. Let's come back to our documentation. Here we are. After cloning this repository, we will need to update our Dockerfile with our integration. Let's see where we are. Yeah. Let's open it with our VS Code editor. And we will need to find Dockerfile. Here it is. We will simply need to change this your integration with Twilio, Twilio, as written over here, Twilio. Control S. Then it is saying to copy paste the service file in this repository. So the file we have downloaded it. I will create a new sample test file, as you have already downloaded the service key. Name will be similar to your project. I have created the dummy file. You will need to paste your ID which you have created over in this step over here. In this step, when we have created over there, you have created this key, you will need to paste this file over there, as well as in your integration folder. Currently we are deploying it on Twilio. I will paste the service key in Twilio folder, in this Twilio folder, right? Let's come back to our documentation. Yeah, we have completed basic integration, basic setup with our project. Now we will need to set up Twilio integration. Simply click on Twilio messaging service, and then in this log in with your Twilio account, and in the login page you will find your account sid and auth token and project name as well. You will need to paste these three in your server.js file, like over here. You will need to paste your project name over there. You will need to place your phone number without spaces, not without spaces, in this format. you will paste your actual phone number which you have on your Twilio account, which in your Twilio account, right? Then paste your account sid and auth token. That will also be on the same page, like their account sid and account auth token. We will not, as we are deploying it for test purpose, we will use our test number. Right, now you will need to run these commands. gcloud bill submit, we will copy this and we'll paste it over there. We have already initialized our project. We will paste over there and we will change. Control C, yes, we will paste and we will edit it with Twilio and your project name. Where you will find your project name, you will find your project for their project ID. You can just copy this and paste it over there. And hit enter. In second step, last but not the least, you will paste this command. Simply Control C and then Control V, and we will change this with your saying your file name. Just note, this is not a dummy file, this is your service key file. Simply press F2, copy the service file name and paste it in this section. Remove this your file key and paste the service name, and over there change the word and also paste your project key over there, project name. Like in our case, this is insurance something. You will find the project name over in your setting page. Here it is. Now you will find a few questions, like as per our documentation you will find 3 more questions. In the first question you will need to select cloud run fully managed. Then you will need to select US Central. This will be on probably point number 9. Then hit enter. There will be your project name. Just hit enter to set it as default. Then press Y to allow Dialogflow to invoke your bot. After this you will successfully deployed your bot will be successfully deployed, and you will get a link. The link, your deployed link, you will need to go to your Twilio account, go to all product and services, programmable SMS, click on WhatsApp, then sandbox, and then paste your link over there. Ensure to check your link has been successfully saved by paste your link and then save it, and again paste your link in this section and again save. Now your bot has been successfully deployed. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.